Hi and welcome at the Fontenille Pataud workshop. I'm glad to present you today the Laguiole Pocket knife. Is the excess too small and the nature too big? The Laguiole Pocket is for you. This knife opens smoothly and provides a secure locking blade. No risk of the blade closing. You are in total safety. To close the knife, just push on the back lock. The spring goes up and releases the blade, which is stopped by a solid blade stop system. From now, you will enjoy snapping your knife, but without damaging the edge. I hope you enjoyed this video. The Laguiole Pocket knife is now available on our website.